In today's video, I'll show you how to check how much money your YouTube channel makes. Guys, we've got tons of useful resources in the description of this video, so definitely check that out. Alright, so here we are on YouTube, and what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube Studio on the left-hand side here. Now here in YouTube Studio, what you want to do is you want to click on the Earn section. This is going to show you how much money your channel has made. Now, as you can see here, my channel is not monetized. If your channel is monetized, you will be able to see how much profit you've made. But coming through the Earn section will also allow you to see what you need to do in order to be monetized. So once I meet these requirements, then this channel could be monetized. Of course, this is my personal channel, so I wouldn't monetize that. So yes, it's really that easy, guys. That is all you have to do. Don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video. We've got tons of helpful resources just for you. Do remember to like and subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next video.